Claude, ChatGPT, GenSpark, Gemini, automation. If you're a business owner that wants to automate your content, you're definitely in the right room. So, welcome as we talk about AI and how Claude is doing a lot of the automation. Some nice sweet, sweet coffee. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Need a little light on me. Hold on. We do have studio lights. Like, come on now, we're not Neanderthals. Like, we have lighting. Nice. Anyways, I just wanted to quickly create this automation document because Claude is so nice for documents. Oh my gosh. There are just so many things. I mean, this is a masterclass in and of itself. What's up, Michael? Good to see you. So I want to give this to my student. And then also move this into his client file. And then send this as a message to him in the community to send him a direct message, one of the perks being in the community. Here is a workbook based on... Okay, we're going to have to fix voice to text right now. I need to completely uninstall and reinstall. Let's see if there's updates. Let's see if there's... We can reset this. Because voice to text is like mandatory. Like before you do anything, it's like everything is voice to text. Audio test 1 2 1 2. Audio test 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2. What's up, horse dude? How's it going? Unfortunately, my voice link is not working, which makes me very sad. Because I'm like, do I have to uninstall and just reinstall it again? You're live again, I know. Vibe coding, building. Well, kind of vibe coding. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go get some Chinese food in a moment. So this is a very short live stream, basically. My phone's about to die, dude. Yeah, voice sync is just not cooperating right now. No, you're lucky, dude. Mr. Porsche guy. Come on now, you have that black GT3 RS there. Okay, we'll just rock this for now. I don't like it, but... I need to completely uninstall this and reinstall this, basically. Deactivate the license. Uninstall. This is not going to be... But I need to fix this. Where's Voice Inc? There it is. Boom, in the trash. Then we're going to download and reinstall it, because why? Okay. Voicing, voice to text. I highly recommend it when it's not being buggy right now. Porsche guy, see you later. Catch you later, man. Okay, so now drag and drop. Now we have the new one, empty our trash. I want to give him this workbook. One of my clients, I gave him this workbook basically that has all of step-by-step notes of everything that we were talking about. He's gonna love that. That's off my plate. This is now the new one. We're gonna enter a license for Voice Inc. Already purchased. Let's see. What email did I sign up? Oh, this is not the fun thing. Eventually we'll get into vibe coding in just a moment. Right now I'm dealing with I don't have voice software. Thanks for the explanation. Okay, cool. Waste of my time. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you for the lives. I think we have lots to build today. Lots and lots and lots to build. We got to rebuild the whole memory. Basically, that's a big thing. Let's just see if we can rock regular dashboard. All right, I'm just setting up. Let's test it out. Voice test 1 2 1 2 test. Oh, that works. Launch at login. Show check for an. Okay, I think we fixed it. Nice. One of the challenges. Audio test 1 2 test 1 2 1 2 test. Perfect. That's instant. That's exactly what I want. Parakeet model. Oh, and my license is active. Sick. So we're back. Oh man. Hot sauce. What's up? I just had to get voice to text working. Okay, so that's off my plate. We do have to kind of be a little organized here, kinda. We are building a funnel, and there's the content automation app, which we need to set up new R2 storage. I know there's not much that I'm showing right now, but we're gonna get Claude in here working in just a moment. We also have Claude doing a whole funnel setup. So we need Claude to build funnel based on scope. So build a new funnel based on the attached scope. Only the funnel part. Ignore the email. So right now we're going to have Claude build a new we should have a markdown file somewhere here for the instructions. Where are the instructions for here? I'll let you guys see this. 124. And what we have done here I'm just documenting things of what we worked one-on-one with the client. What did we finish with him? Oh, it's in the knowledge file. Because I gotta track their progress for the one-on-one coaching. We're gonna give Claude some work here in just a moment. Perfect. Now the roadmap is updated. Okay, what you guys want to see is this guy. Meet AI Avatar 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, 3.0, I got 3. 3.0. This dude is great.
You, that successful professional, secretly terrified AI is passing you by. Here's what nobody tells you, Mayas. You don't need to be technical to win at AI. I was the corporate escapee who felt left behind too. Then I discovered something game-changing.
One more time, because that is just so dope. That is my AI avatar.
You, that successful professional,
This is the new
secretly
format
terrified
for 3.0.
AI is passing you by. Here's what nobody tells you, Mayas. You don't need to be technical to win at AI. I was the corporate escapee who felt left behind too.
Nice, Sarah.
Then I discovered
architect.
something
Welcome,
game-changing.
Sarah. She's like, how is that your avatar? That's my avatar. That's clone. I don't own a blue shirt. I've never, like, everything about this is fake. And like, this is like how good, like, what's the best quality that you could kind of get to? Hello, Sarah, architect. Welcome. What kind of architect are you? Kind of curious. I like architects. System designers. Design your home with clarity, confidence, and AI. Architect-led guidance. Nice. Welcome. Pleasure to meet you. I'm Jonathan, Dr. AI. We're just building an AI avatar clone for a new piece of software that I'm launching, where you can pump out content like this, your digital avatar, multiple times a day, and you never ever have to film a single piece of content. It will generate content, schedule to publish across 6 social media channels. This is the new app, the content engine that I'm getting ready to release, where if you're tired of posting content manually and you want an AI clone avatar to be your clone,
you, that successful professional,
sign up
secretly
with the link in the
terrified
bio,
AI is passing you by.
and
Here's what nobody
we're going
tells
to be
you,
launching
Mayas.
soon.
You don't need to be technical to win at AI. I was the corporate escapee who felt left behind too. Then I discovered something game-changing.
Yep, so that is going to be the AI avatar. That very nice.
You, that successful professional, secret.
So right now we're in the process of updating said software, so that we could kind of go through the workflow to kind of just optimize this workflow, so to speak, basically. We're deploying everything on Railway, which is super nice. We're in our staging environment. Everything is good to go. Thank you so much for sharing the live. Hot Sauce is like, yo, like, we're about to AI
The
avatar.
terrified AI is passing you by. Here's what nobody tells you, Mayas.
Love that.
You don't need to be technical to win at AI. I was the corporate escapee who felt left behind too.
Just
Then I discovered something.
cool. So what we want to figure out is, where is this one in the stage? I think we could just delete this one. Delete. Run a test. See, here's the cool part. It generates content for you. You literally just click a button. Click generate, and he's going to generate content for you. Cool. And then we just click add it to the queue. That's it. 2 buttons. Can you press 2 buttons? I think eventually, like, you know, all in all, you'll press 3 buttons to publish a piece of content. Now he's going through the process, the factory process. Bum, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba. This is a clone factory. This is my clone factory that is pumping out clones. Bum, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba, dum, bum, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba, dum, bum. We're going to get a clone in a minute. Also, there's a little gamification where you get points. So if you do each of the steps, which I'm excited for. So, very, very nice. And then I'm kicking everyone out of the GitHub file. Because now I'm going to give you guys virtual containers. Oh. Okay, and then once we set up storage, well, then we'll virtual container and test with API keys. Then distribute virtual container with license to users. Cool. So that's getting that ready to go. It's in the oven right now. It's going through. I don't think it's doing anything. Oh, we don't have storage hooked up. Dang it. Okay, hold on. We gotta hook up storage. Okay, so let me hook up storage, which means dope, everyone loses access to the GitHub repo that is now permanently copied, because the new one that we're going to push is going to be amazing. If this one works, this is 5.0. I kicked everyone out at version 4.0 just because this one is going to be so gangsterly dangerous. But he doesn't work right now because we have to set up storage and then test workflow with new premium version. And then from there, let's do an MVP, clone the CEO. Because that's our mission. We have a CEO that's like, yo, I would like a clone. And so, one clone, please. One set clone. Now, with this guy, he is doing our website, which we have another. Oh, okay, we're good there. So, I'm just going to download this, put this in his folder, reference that folder. Oh, time to go. I have to go get Chinese food right now. My meal prepping is there. I'll be back in like 35, 40 minutes. I'll be back in an hour, let's say. I'll be back live streaming because we're going to be building a website using AI, vibe code a website using Claude. Then we're going to finish. Well, actually, we're vibe coding an entire webinar sales funnel, like full funnel, not website, full funnel, like go high level funnel style. So we're building that out. That's what actually Claude is going to work here. Using this in a new folder. Okay, so now Claude is going to build a website for us while I go get food. This is now my agent is working, which is so nice. And then while he's working, then we'll finish this up for the content automation machine. So we'll get this up and running because we need to set up storage. So I'll catch you guys later. See you later tonight, and we're vibe code. Bye.